comment below, write me, then you are interested, you wanted to be passive investor. So subscribe, share, get your account there. You wanted to be a passive investor, invest with me with long terms passive incomes like this. There's no such things in another businesses like passive money. In this kind of businesses, you have passive invest because it's almost done business. It's built someone, they leave people decades, produce incomes. You have history of the incomes for decades. And you know how his business looks like. You can touch it, it's real. You can go there, you can rent, you can speak with tenants, you can stole this post. It's real. So invest in something real, not in the bullshit Bitcoins or this, what you see there, and you don't know if it's all speculations. So be passive investor in real deals, real estate. It provides you with cash flow for decades. You can handle this kind of business. When you invest, is gonna work, pay you bills, and take care of you more than your marriage. Your marriage don't gonna work more than this business. So see you in the next video. I hope so you understand what I'm looking for, what I'm buying for, and what money I'm invest. I'm invest in real deals, real businesses. See you in the next.
Darling, don't quit your daydream. It's your life that you're making.